We're recording. Caleb is going to... What are you going to do? Put it on ice?
Yes.
Why?
Now?
Let's just eat it.
Fine.
Habanero pepper. Caleb is showing us how brave he is. Glass of milk. Water. Ice. Sucker. You dipping it in water? You can just take a big old bite, chew it up. You chewing it up? Which one do you want? Any tears? Any tears? You're not still chewing it on. Are you still chewing it? Are you really eating the whole thing? Wow.
You still have it in your mouth?
Wow. Pretty impressive. You chewing it up and swallowing it? Wow. Alright, take another bite.
That's so
Nasty?
not hot?
Hot, but... No.
Hey!
Alright, Alicia, your turn.
No!
I'll let you take a little one.
Your turn. What? What's wrong?
No, I don't want to.
You have to.
No!
Or else,
It's not that spicy.
can't have lunch till you eat it.
I will suffer until I'm only.
You'll suffer.
I'm not going to have it.
Alright, how was it?
Okay, I'll try a little twist.
You want more?
Mm-mm.
No?
I'm gonna try
You gonna do it again? Ever?
I'm not going to have
Maybe.
one.
Maybe?
I'm going to try this bit.
You gonna try? Let's see. Let me see. You're gonna try that much?
Uh-huh.
Not much. Really? Okay. Chew it up. You didn't even. You just touched your tongue on it.
Not my teeth.
She just barely touched your tongue on it.
I'm not
Should have
having it.
some milk.
I'm not having it.
You want to try, Eli? Your turn.
No.
You want some?
No.
You want some? No?
No.
It's not that spicy.
Really?
Because it still hurts.
It's not spicy, but it still hurts 4 minutes later. Okay.
Are you going to try this?
Alright. Enough fun. Say goodbye.
Dad tries.
No, I've already done this. I was dumb enough when I was a kid. Goodbye, Habanero.